November was attributed to Kannada language and literature. Our children must know their rights given to them, the responsibility behind each rights. To create the awareness of the same, Social Science Department organized many programs which includes observing live proceedings at Session Court Afzalpur. Law month was concluded on 26th November 2019. Quality of school is, we continuously conducted various training programs for the teachers on neutral venues for enriching our teachers with modern aspects of teaching. Some of the special invitees were Mr. Venkat Subbarao, Mrs. Anupa Kaushik ma'am, and principals from each school also took certain topics to enhance the level of teaching in our sister institutes. Our motto is to enlighten education through values. In order to bring the sense of culturehood and basic values, we organize annual gathering based on theme. This year also we plan to have annual gathering based on the theme Amma and the journey of Gandhi to Mahatma. Support of Mr. Shekhar Kaujalgi, a recording engineer, and our staff was phenomenal in bringing up the students to the level of presentation. Role of teacher was a guiding.
Thank you, sir.
Our GM sir watches the school in close day-to-day activities. I would like to call upon Akshay Kalal to end the program by giving his vote of thanks.
Good evening all. I am Akshay, class 10. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks for this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I thank our chief guest, Dr. S.D. Dhumwad sir, who despite his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. I also express my heartfelt thanks to Mr. Sangamnath sir, Hanchimani sir from Hanchimani PU classes and colleges. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Mr. S.M. Kaloti sir, Honorable Managing Trustee. We are also equally grateful to see SBC members Sangamnath Jamadar sir, Chairman of School Betterment Committee, General Manager of SRSL Unit 5 Havalga, Sanjay Kumar Nayak sir, Member of School Betterment Committee, Manager of HRN and Admin of SRSL Unit 5 Havalga, Baswantappa Hugar sir, Member of School Betterment Committee, DGM S&V SRSL Unit 5 Havalga, Ramchandra Asode sir, Member of School Betterment Committee, Sir KNA, Manager of SRSL Unit 5 Havalga, AGMs, Managers and HODs from SRSL Unit 5 Havalga, who spared their valuable time with us. I also extend my sincere thanks to policemen, security personnel from SRSL representatives, from media, and last but most important, our dear parents who always stood with school unanimously with school in all endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshay. Our chief guest will be addressing the gathering in the cultural event.
Rich diversity and culture. For us, word mother is a sacred and pure, which is not only speaks about our motherland, which land, environment, etc., lakes, etc., etc.
ಈ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಸರ್ವರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶವು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತು ವೈವಿಧ್ಯತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆಯ ತಾಣವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ನುವ ಶಬ್ದವು ನಮಗೆ ಪವಿತ್ರತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧತೆಯ ಸಂಕೇತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ನುವ ಶಬ್ದವು ಕೇವಲ ಹೆತ್ತ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನವಾಗದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ, ಕಾಮಧೇನು, ನದಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಅಂಶಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಅಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ನುವ ಪದವನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆರಂಭಿಸೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ.
To start the program, ladies and gentlemen, do you feel some turbulence around here? Yes, I do. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sink in the depth of music, songs, lights and joy.
ಭೀಮಾ ನದಿಯ ತೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವಳು, ಸಿಡಿಗಂಬ ಹೊಂದಿರುವಳು, ಗಾಜಿನ ಕಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವಳು, ಪಂಚಸರ್ಪವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಳು, ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂದವರಿಗೆ ಅಮೃತ ನೀಡುವಳು, ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂದವರಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ಪರಿಹರಿಸುವಳು, ಭಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂದವರಿಗೆ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ನೀಡಿ ಸುಖ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನು ಕರುಣಿಸುವಳು. ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾನು ಯಾರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಜಗಜ್ಜನನಿ ಜಗನ್ಮಾತೆಯಾದ ಘತ್ತರ್ಗಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತಿ ತಾಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಈಗ ಶ್ರೀ ಭಾಗ್ಯವಂತಿ ತಾಯ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆ ಕುರಿತು ಸ್ವಾಗತ ನೃತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಕಿರುನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮಾಡಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು. ಅವರನ್ನು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋಣ.
దని ధిం తదరే దని ధిం తనదరే నా ధిం తదరే దని ధిం తదరే దని ధిం తనదరే నా ఓ దని దిర్ దిర్ తాని తనదరే నా ఓ దని దిర్ దిర్ తాని తనదరే నా ధిం తదరే దని ధిం తదరే దని
ತಿಲಕ್, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೇಗೆ ದೊರೆಯಿತು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳುವಿಯಾ?
ಹೇಳುವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅನಾಥ ಹುತಾತ್ಮರ ಶೌರ್ಯ ಸಾಹಸ ಬಲಿದಾನವೇ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಜೀವನ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗುರುತಿದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾ, ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೆನಪಾಯಿತು. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರ ಜೀವನ ಚರಿತ್ರೆಯನ್ನು ಕುರಿತು ನಟಿಸಲು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂಕಿತ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಗಡಿಗರು.
Take a very important chapter. You know what it is?
No!
It's about our national leaders. Firstly, I will show you some of the important picture of these leaders. Do you know who is he?
Mahatma Gandhi ji.
Do you know who is he?
Bhagat Singh.
Can you identify who is this?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes.
Madam, first you are going to tell us about
National leader Mahatma Gandhi ji. You are right. Now we are going to know about Mahatma Gandhi ji. His full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was a Victorian non-violent fighter. Madam, non-violent means what? It means without hurting anyone or not involving in violence. Do you know where he was born?
Madam, in Porbandar.
Correct. He was born on 2nd October 1869. After his school studies, he went to England to study law when he was 18 years old.
In that case, he was a lawyer.
Yes, he was a popular lawyer and practiced law for 3 years in India. And for 20 years in South Africa. I will narrate few incidents that happened in his life.
ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, सालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे।
ಕಾರ್ಪಣೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಧರ್ಮದ ಹಾದಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನ್ಯಾಯ, ನೀತಿ, ಸತ್ಯ ಧರ್ಮಗಳು ಅವನತಿಯಾಗುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಮಾನವರು ಅಜ್ಞಾನದ ಅಂಧಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ದೇವಿಯು ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧರ್ಮಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾದಾಗ, ಧರ್ಮವು ಅವನತಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಧರ್ಮದ ಉದ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ದೇವಿಯು ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವತಾರವೆತ್ತಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಧರ್ಮದ ಉಳಿವಿಗಾಗಿ, ಸತ್ಯದ ನೆಲವಿಗಾಗಿ, ಭಕ್ತರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಮಾತೃ ಹೃದಯದ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ದೇವಿಯು ಭೂಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿಯ ವಿಜಯನಗರದ ಅರಸನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ